guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are playing Shrimp Game. And if you watch Squid Game, then you already know season 2's games. And this game is super duper popular and I keep watching it. So let's play. So we are teleporting right now to the server. So I think the first game is red light, green light. Because in season 2, they didn't change the games. The season 2 red light, green light. So let's see what kind of player I am. I'm 45. Well, okay, that's okay. Well, let's see. 2 seconds left. And we're going to the red light, green light, I think. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, there's a guard. Bruh. A guard. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Taps to skip. We get it. Those who win all 6 games. Hey, there's a Korea player here, I think. Or that's Japanese or Chinese. I don't know. Well, it's red light, green light, so we have to freeze. So, wait, I got a push item. So, yeah. So, green light. We can sprint and run. Oh no. Green light. Freeze! Go! Red light. I'ma jump. Green light. Push someone, push. Aw. Red light. Oh no. That dude. Oh no. Green light. Pushing, 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 push. Do not push me. No. Yay! I finished the first game. Bruh. I pushed him. I pushed him again. Who's not yet here? There's player there. I don't know what he's doing. And we're going back to the lobby. So, yay! We finished the first game. Ooh, let's purchase the glass tester. So I purchased it now, so I think that's for the glass bridge. But I thought season 2 has no glass bridge. Or maybe they mixed up the season 1 and season 2 to make it more fun. But now let's see. What's the next game? And it's Dalgona Candy Challenge. I wish I get triangle. And I got umbrella. Really? Why umbrella? Why? I'm gonna speedrun this. I do not care if it cracks. Can do it again, right? Or do you just die and get kicked? There, first. First, I'm gonna put in the chat. So now we finished the Dalgona Candy Challenge. So let's just wait for the other players. Kokoma Kojibio Sebedida. I'm just gonna wait for the next game. And I heard that the honeycomb heals the health bar if you get attacked in the night fight. So I'll save that for later. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna hide here. So right now, we started the games. And it's Pentalon. Well, okay. This is actually new, I think. Look, I'm the last player. Oh no. I have to go here. Hey, this power. Pew! Hiya! Haha! I did it. Oh no. Why do I have to click sprint? Wait, we're not doing it like that. Well, I'm gonna do 100% power again. Ching! Oh, come on. That one. Yes! Oh! Run! There. We got the Gongi. Okay. Ow! Okay. This is actually really cool. Oh no! I failed. There. No, 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 yes. Wait, what? This is actually really hard. Okay, I won! Let's go! So I'm in the fort now, so let's see. So supposed to be spinning top. Forgot. No! Let's do it again. Here in the orange. There! Let's go! Run, run, run! There's only 1 minute left. Come on, come on. Ching! Oh, come on again. Ah! No! You have to hit it. You have to hit it in the green part. Ah! Come on! Ah! I'm locking in. Bro! Let's go! Run, run, run! I did it! Let's go! Finally! That's actually pretty cool that they did the Gongi thing. Well, I'm just gonna wait for the game to start. And now they're showing the money prize. And it's 1,400,000. And we're still waiting for the game to start. And right now it's the tug of war, not the mingle. Why? Or maybe after this game. But I'm locking in. So, you guys wait for me to handle this if I win. And I'll tell you if I died or not. So right now we're still pulling it. And I keep failing because it's too fast. And they're now winning. So we have to do this quickly. I'm locking in. Why is the tug of war so hard? They need my strength. Ching! Pew! 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 I'm locking in. Hit the green parts. Oh, come on. It's too fast. No. We're actually doing it though. Let's do it. Ah! Hey, we're here at the back of the game. How is Broski not even dead yet? I think whoever's the last, I think. Yes, yes. Wait, did we win? Let's go! We won! We won the tug of war game. So, what's the prize money now? 2,040,000. Yeah, that's kind of mid. But that's okay. But right now, I'm just gonna wait. 3 seconds left though. So, yes! Glass bridge. What are we gonna do with it? Oh, they died so quickly, bro. I'm locking in. I'm turning off my brightness. I turned on my brightness. No! I lost focus. I didn't hit jump. I just turned on my lighting to make it more not dark so I can see the glass. No, I didn't get to see it. Bro actually fell for that. 2 players left. Well, they're dying. Exiting server. And now let's go to another server to play that game. So, let's see. We are player 453. Why? Oh, there's a capybara. Capybara. And a dog. So, I can't believe they pushed me. Oh, come on. That's the easiest way you'll die. What is this? Who's player 456? Wait, player 457? No. Player 16, player 4, wait, what? Player 3 and 8, player 6, blah blah blah, player 22, player 241, player 406. Just 50 more numbers. You would have got 456, bro. Shrimp game. And I'm already experienced player. Let's go. And look, there's a guard thing. Wait, we're teleporting already? I wish I could win this right now. Come on, teleporting. Say what's up, my nigga? Okay, 396. What is mine? 18. I don't know who that is, so can you comment below who that player is? 18. So, let's see what this is. You can be the frontman and the guard. You have to do 2.5 million won. And you have to pay with Robux to be guard forever. I don't have Robux, so yeah. Who is player 456? Nigga. Who is 333? No. Whoever watched this show knows who 230 is. And knows who 456 is. And knows who player 1 is too. Who is player 169? 196, I mean. I got it wrong. So, Kokomako. Why is some people guards? Because you have to pay. Uy, nigga. You mark for that? No! I died from the first game! Why did I get marked for that? A player pushed me. Well, let's do it again. Teleporting to another game. So let's see, what player am I? 310. I do not know who 310 is. Can you please comment below what kind of number am I getting? And who that is? So I could know if I could be the friends of the 456 player or not. Hey, who? Look. Bro has got the mask. This one, the guard mask. Is bro not there? Bro's here. Why is the mask cracked? Look, it's a circle guard. Kokomako Kibi. Bruh. Let's see. On. Oh no, it's starting. So it's 40. 40. Go in to make it 50. 50. No, come on. I swear. Just why you didn't make it 50? Well, I'm 413. I'm 413. Comment down below who that is. And I can look through the piggy bank. And super duper dark. How many players we got? 41. That's why you didn't make it 50. The max player, bro. How to run? Just click sprint. It's right here in the bottom right. Near the jump. Just imagine I get the winner triangle. Bam 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 bim bam bim bam bam bam. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, tap to skip cutscene. And we skipped it all. And it's red light, green light. Hey, 230, bro. 230 is the time clock, bro. How Chinese username? I do not know. Yeah, I'm the first. Red light. Bro, this is good. Green light, let's go. I am not going behind someone, bro. Deads. I am 413. Wait, what? Did my number change? Well, that's okay. Bro, how did the bacon not die? I'm gonna push her. Green light. Pew, 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 pew. Hey, Nig. Do not push me, NASA underscore cube 7. Let's go! I was in 3rd place. This guy. How? Just how? This why? You're wasting my time, bro. You're wasting my time. Bro, be walking. But I do not care. Bro! You're the only player left. Oh, so sorry. Hey, Nig. Hey, you guard. Bye 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 bye. Now hold. I do not care, bro. Yeah, how much prize money? Money. 1,090,000. 1,901,000. No. No, wait, what? 1,900,001. There, I corrected it. I wish I get triangle now. I'm gonna pick this one. This why? Why did I get the honeycomb cookie, bro? Why? Why you have to do this to me? No, I'm gonna speedrun this, boy. Do not take long on the curbs. On the straight lines. I'm actually doing this one go. Let's go, I'm first. Let's go. I'm first. There you go. I got umbrella. Umbrella, bro. Got umbrella. Let's go. And I told my mom if I could make dalgona candy and try to sell it to my school and my classmate. And she said yes. So we're buying stuff to make the dalgona candy so I can get, money and sell dalgona candy challenge. So I'll try it for myself. And I have to sell too. So yeah. Since I'm in the Philippines, it's 30 pesos only. Because $1.5 equals 75. And I only sell 75 pesos. And I only sell it for 30 pesos. If dollars are converted into pesos. So yeah. So I only sell it on 30 pesos. I wish somebody buys it though. And there we are teleporting. And it's a pentalonic thing. Kuya po. I got umbrella. I do not. Oh wait, that's me. Oh, I'm the first one. Let's go! First one. Eh. I'm actually doing sprint. 2, 1, go! Yeah, I'm first. Kukuma ako. Sige, what's up, nega? Go. Mega. Yes. This one. Orange. Orange side. Red. Yes! This a B. Oh, hell no. Do it. I'll do orange. No! I'll do red-orange. Yes! I still got 2 minutes though. Gongi. Let's do this thing. Oh no. This. Yes. Oh, fudge. Why did it turn the dark? I'm taking my time. Why did it turn dark? Let's go. Why did it turn dark though, bro? I know it's orange. See, I knew it. See, I knew it. And I'm faster than before. Ay, nako. No! Yeah. Let's go. I'm in the stick of it. Yeah, that's the worst song, bro. Kokomako, say hey, what's up, my nigga? Let's go! I am player 456 now. The next is a Glass Bridge or Mingle, if Mingle even exists. And maybe Tug of War. Yeah, Tug of War or Mingle. Hey, look. If I long click my honeycomb, it says umbrella. See, look. It's a... Hey, look. I have umbrella. I must say it to everybody. I have umbrella. Let's go. I have umbrella. Look, hand. No! I accidentally ate it! Well, okay. Intermission. Loading. How much money you'll get? 2.6. Wait. 2.5. Let's go! I got the money! Well, if I win this game, then at the end of the video, I'm gonna go guard. And since I'm playing only 3 games, at the last game, I'm gonna be a guard. I wish I win this though. See? I knew it. It's Mingle. Look, it's Pickle, not Mingle. What the hell? They made it much more realistic, bro. Because look at the thing. They have circle, and triangle, and square. I played these games before, and I died. Huh. I'm actually trying so hard to navigate who actually has the door, bro. I'm so scared. My nig. What? Yes! I think I destroyed my mic. Well, let's go. Oh no, we can actually interact with the door. Let's go. Oh no, I can peek through the door. No, other players. Hey, why did it turn off? Oh, it's the killing time. This is pickle, not mingle. Who said that? There's only 3 rounds of mingle. Let's see if this thing has 3 rounds. Ring a ring a boop da boop da blim boom blah. Kukubak kukumake. Ya, tabalabu papoy. Ya, nina nina no na na na. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. No. Somebody go outside. Yes, it made it 3. It made 3, bro. Let's go. Finally 3. I'm trying so hard. And it's killing time. So you died. We are not surviving these games. Bruh. I played these games before but died and respawned. The last round. Or they made it the last. Because it is the last round in Squid Game. Blah! I'm so hearting attack right now. I can't even explain my words. Let's go! Get in here! Close the doors! Let's go! I think I destroyed my mic, but I don't care. 413! It's a Mario! I'm a legal. Let's go! Door, interact. Kokamakoshi. Wait, who died? Who died? They didn't tell who died? Huh? Player 257 died. Kokomak. I wish they add the voice where they say player 156 eliminated. Wait, what's the and they'll say the prize money is what is the prize money? 2,060,000. I no 2,600,000 won. That's literally my money right now. No, it's 2.8 million. Oh no. I'ma turn on my brightness to max. There. No! Oh my god. I swear, bro. Yes. The only time I trust. Bro, use it. Use the glass tester. I do not care. Let's go! Wait, does bro have infinite glass testers? There's no way. Oh my god. Let's go. I need to jump. I can do this. And if I win, then I'll do the guard next round. Who can do it? Who's crawling? Hey, yes. Nigga! Oh, sure. Oh my gosh. I'm having a heart attack. There's so many glasses. I mean, glass. Who is next? Yes. No, yes! I think I broke. I need to pay the money I borrowed from Mexican cartel. I don't care. Oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna update you if I win this round. I'm gonna update you if I win this round. Oh no. Because I didn't jump. That was the most stupid idea ever.
Ano nga yan?
Well, I'm gonna play another game, the last one, and I'm gonna be the guard.
Naalala mo, dito ako.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Nagre-record. Kasi ito na last round, gano'n na lang ako ng short ano.
Squid Game yan?
Yes.
Paano yan?
Doon ka nga kay mama, go, 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 go.
Okay.
So, now let's go in the lobby. And I have a revolver here. Here, look. I'm just gonna edit it out because I'm gonna video it and you guys can see it in the screen. Like this one. This one. I'm just closing the door. So, this is the revolver from Squid Game. Russian roulette. Wait. I'ma pew it. There. And I can even do, like, spin it. You know, the spin thing. Well, maybe later. Well, you know what, right now. See, look. I'm just gonna video it out later. Well, I'm just gonna skip this cutscene. Skipping cutscene. Come on. Tap to skip cutscene. And let's just wait. Wait, I forgot something. We're supposed to be the guards. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna die mid-game. I was supposed to be the guards. Or maybe let's just finish this game. And, you know. And next round be the guard. That sounds like a great idea. What number am I though? 163. Tell me in the comments, bro. Green light. Come on. Oh no. Come on. Bro, what's this dude doing? Bro, how did you move? Red light. Yes, let's go. I made in time. I'm trying to reload this gun, but it won't. Don't know what happened. Wait, somebody killed me? Oh wait, I'm just tripped. I'm gonna show in the video. When we're teleporting, I'm gonna show it. Pew! I'm gonna show it later in the video. Maybe if I'm a guard or teleporting right now. You know what? I'm gonna do both. Well, it did not do the teleporting cutscene. So we're gonna do it when we're guard. So 1,700,000. Okay? I'm just gonna try to see if this still works. We're gonna do the Dalgona. I wish I get triangle to just do this, bro. I'm gonna pick another side. Yes, I got circle! Circle, bro. Be faster. Be faster! Come on, everybody's already there. Come on. 1, 2, come on. Let's go. If this cracks, I'm gonna do Russian roulette, but in music. Hey, I'm first. First, yes! I'm gonna figure out the gun. And by the way, this is just a plastic gun. We are gonna do the pentalacatoblablo. Wait, why is it only the guards? Oh, there. I'm the first again. Yay, I'm gonna try to speedrun this. Speed running! Hey, look, there's many flags. Does this have Philippines? Come on, let's go. Come on, you can do it. Ping! Ah! This one. Orange. Yes! We can do it. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I swear. Come on. Do it. Sugongi. I'm focusing. And come on. Let's go. Oh, come on! This might be the hardest game. Gongi. Like, bro, so creative with doing the Gongi one. I don't even know how to play Gongi until they just demonstrated on how. Spinning top orange. See, look. Haha. Spinning top is orange. Let's go. We do this right now. The last one. The thingy. Ah! I feel like I'm gonna rage like player 1, frontman. Come on. Oh my gosh. Yes. I finally did it. Now let's just wait for other players to, finally finish. And I'll just update you. There. I'll be first one here. Oh, locking in now. Oh, shush. Bro, open the door for me. No! Gonna get killed. Open the door. I've been marked for that. Hell no, I'm a push you, bro. Pushing, push. I'm pushing you. Ah, hell no. Oh, no! I got eliminated. Well, finally, I can become the guard and kill the players that who tried to not, those who betrayed.
Kokomako sehewa sama nega.
Wait. I'm turning on. There. Now you've been queued to become the guard next round. Bam! Come on. Teleport. 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 I wish they add more music. Now I'm player 402. Wait, I'm supposed to be a guard. You will play as a guard. Let's go. I am a guard. And if you take that away from me, I will end the video right now. Look at our money. And turn into 8 blah blah blah. And the player called the DAP said I played these games before. Why you cringe? Oh, yes! I am player. Look at me, bro. Oh. Skipping. What kind of mask? What mask? I'm the triangle. Why am I not the square? Do I have to work more to become the square? I have to get promoted. Let's go. I have the... Listen up. Listen. Yung. Red light. Haha, I watched that thing, bro. Come on. Hey, you. Nig! Yeah, people will kill him anyway. How are you not dead? Ah, there. Bro, how are you not dead? Bro, I swear. Yes. Bro, I need to kill this guy. Yes. Kill them. I do not care. I'm gonna kill you all. Somebody kicking me. Hey, somebody kicking me. Come on. Who is still there? Yeah. They got killed. Yes. Let's go. Easy. I'm gonna see what all of the games is. Guard is bad. I don't care. Spend money. I spend money to be one. Okay, Kokomang. Let's see who will. Let's see who we will, like do this to, so they won't get like the thing. I feel like whoever said that, nah. Okay, this guy. Just wanted, bro. Want. And I'm blocking you. Kumakusihiwas mo, nigga. If you get breaking... Hey, you breaked it? Hey, you breaked it? You're going to a rebellion, bro. I am right here. Kokoma ako. Kokom, the money was only 2 million, roll. Okay, I know. I'm not. I'm not dumb, you are. I'm gonna start a conversation of argument, bro. Can I see if I jump? Hey, this guy. This guy broke it. Pew! Nobody broke it? Come on. I know. Huh. Oh my god. Yep, you're dumb and I am understandable. Ko. Ko. Listen. Follow on glass bridge. And kokomako, I'm still on the. Listen, follow on the glass bridge. Listen, follow on the glass bridge, bro. Follow. Let's see. Let's see what this dude's doing. Oh my gosh, I'm blocking it, bro. I'm blocking it. Blocking it, bro. Blocking it. I'm blocking this dude, bro. I do not care. Bro's trying his hardest. Let's see, boy. Let's see. Let's see, boy. Bro. We getting everything, bro. You so cooked. Because I'm blocking. You know what I'm doing? So you know the physics. Ah! How, bro? Just why? You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. Come on! How? Oh, come on! I am messing with another player, bro. Hey, bro. Sorry, bro. You're cooked. Yeah. Yeah. I don't care, bro. Oh, come on. You fell? Bro, is it because of me? Bro, the feeling at the same time. Pew! I'm gonna see if Philippines here. Philippines. Okay. No Philippines that side. Oh, America, Germany. Wait, there's no Philippines? Why they add no Philippines? Come on, new game is hard for real. Nah, it's easy, bro. Easy. Nah, it's easy, bro. I'm gonna update you if on the next game. I've been hearing your conversation. Forgot what the expect. Bro, I win 20 times. 22 times. So it's easy for me. Easy for me, bro. Oh no, this one. One. You, my new friends. New friend. Hello. Dada! Come on, let's see if they suffer. Bros 4. Bros 4. Nig, it's 5 now. Somebody leave. Go, go. You can run away, boy. That's only 2. Bro, you're cooked. Hey, get out. Womp womp. What country you live? You are. What country you are, bro? Yeah. Come on. I'm in Philippines, bro. Philippines.
Kokomako!
I'm gonna. Listen. Follow me on Glass Bridge. Listen, follow me on Glass Bridge. This one, boy. Yeah, see? Oh, fudge. This one, boy. See? 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 Now jump here. Oops. No, you guard before, bro. I know you guard before. No, you didn't. You did. No, you didn't, bro. No! No! How many players left? 4. What? Marble exists? Marble exists in the game, bro. What do you call it? Tug of war. Tug of war. Levitating. Levitate. I'm levitating. No! Oh no! I'm betting on blah blah blah. Fight. Fight or die. You can be tie, bro. Die or die. I bet white hair, bro. Come on. I could use it to defend myself. Heh. Ha. Bruh. Well, since we are now done and we played 4 games, in the next video I'm gonna play 5 games. So I'm player 2, 5, 25. So I'm gonna be. So can you please tell me in the comments who did I get? The people that I get. So the people that I get in the numbers. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and please share this to your friends to see my reactions on Squid Game, or maybe it's Shrimp Game. So yeah, I'm gonna go now because it's the end of the video. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and show this to your friends. Bye.